Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make easy stir-fried bok choy with over easy eggs on top. The first ingredient is the bok choy, which you need to cut to 1 inch long. And the second ingredient is minced garlic, which is about 1 tablespoon. And oyster sauce. Let's start cooking, guys. The first thing we need to do is turn on the stove. And we need to put in about 2 teaspoons of oil, which is vegetable oil. Once the pan is heated up, we'll add in our minced garlic and we'll stir it up a little bit. After the garlic becomes slightly golden brown, we will add in about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And we could toss in our bok choy. And we'll take a lid and we'll close it for about 5 minutes for it to continue the cooking. And we will turn the heat to medium-low. After 5 minutes has passed, we will remove the lid and quickly stir-fry the bok choy. And that's it, you guys. Our stir-fried bok choy is done. And we could remove it and put it onto a plate. And now let's cook our over easy eggs. In the same pan, we will crack in our egg. The pan should already have a little bit oil left over from the stir fry. And we will close the lid of the pan and let it sit for about 2 minutes in low heat. After 2 minutes, it should look like this. And now we can remove it and put it on top of our bok choy. Our stir-fried bok choy and over easy egg is done, guys. Looks how delicious it looks. The egg is cooked perfectly well, nice and runny. This dish can easily be eaten with some steamed rice or by itself. It's a very delicious, healthy, and easy meal to make, and I hope you guys get to try it yourself. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.